But the Supreme Court has recorded that the earlier order of the Supreme Court in this very same matter states that Karnataka cannot construct anything without all the permissions having been obtained. And Supreme Court said that that order is still in force. Secondly, Supreme Court said that the matter is pending before our Chief Wildlife Warden in Panji.
Okay.
And that order, he will have to decide whether Karnataka can divert the water or cannot divert the water.
Okay.
Section 29 proceedings, the Chief Wildlife Warden will have to decide. Okay?
Okay.
This is the second thing. Third thing is that Supreme Court directed Karnataka to furnish us their all DPRs and the approvals which are granted by the CWC. Fourthly, Supreme Court said that the main matter will be heard in July.
Okay.
So this is the development, and according to me, this is the best order we could get now.
So can we say that
because now it is in our hand. It is in the hand of the Chief Wild Warden to decide whether diversion can be permitted or not.
Okay. So can we say that till final disposal, Karnataka cannot construct any further?
No. You can say that till they obtain all permissions.
Okay.
That is the Chief Wild Warden, from the Forest Department, that is MOEF, they cannot construct. Cannot construct. Yes.
So now matter is adjourned for July.
Adjourned to July. Matter is adjourned to July. Yes.
For final disposal.
Yes. And then we have been granted liberty that in case Karnataka does something, we can approach the Supreme Court again.
Okay.
गोयचे हित सांबाळूंक म्हादय राखपाचे दिशेन हे म्हत्वाचे पावल म्हणून मुख्यमंत्र्यान ट्वीट केले. ताचेर विजय म्हणटा गोंयाक धपको. दिसता तशें ना, काम बंद करपाक सांगूंक ना.
एक्चुअली जालां हें एक्झॅक्ट उलटें. And what I can say is that this is a setback for Goa. Simply said, it is a setback for Goa. Now let us understand what Supreme Court has said. And let us summarize the decision today. Number one, गोंयान interim relief मागिल्ली. Interim relief कितें? की सगळीं कामां जी थंय चालू आहा, जी गोंयचें एलिगेशन आहा की काम थंय चालू आसा म्हणून तें बंद करचें. जालां कितें? No interim relief has been given to Goa to stop ongoing work if any. म्हळ्यार सगळीं स्टॅट्युटरी परमिशनां मेळ्ळ्या शिवाय जें ट्रिब्युनल अवॉर्ड म्हणटा कर्नाटका कॅनॉट प्रोसीड, हें पयलींच सांगिल्लें आहा. आमी कोर्टान कित्याक गेले? आमी कोर्टान गेले की सुप्रीम कोर्टान आतां इंटरफियर जावचें म्हणून, कित्याक DPR पास जाला म्हणून. सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज सेड वी आर नॉट इन्क्लाइन्ड टू इंटरफियर इन द मॅटर. सो हाऊ इज दिस अ विक्ट्री?
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.